This past week I was asked by CNBC to provide my thoughts about Amazon Go and the impact that it's going to have on the disruption in retail space. And I thought it'd be interesting to talk a little bit more about that conversation. Amazon Go, for those of you that are not familiar, is a small, usually 1 to 2,000 square foot retail space that basically allows people to come in on demand, grab certain items with no checkout and leave the store. It uses sensors, AI, data, mobility, blockchain, and different other technologies to basically allow people to simplify their shopping experience. And the more I thought about what Amazon Go has working for it, the more I realized that what they are creating is the future of retail in the sense of digitally transformed retail. Now, what does that mean? It basically means that every successful brand that wants to get into retail or wants to sustain themselves in retail needs to be thinking the way Amazon is thinking here. Now, of course, that seems logical, right? Amazon seeing 1,000% growth over 10 years in terms of their valuation, while the only retailer in the major retail space to actually grow market cap in the last 10 years is Walmart, and their growth is only 1%. So, of course, what Amazon's doing works. But you have to think, why is Amazon getting into retail? Why are they putting up stores? Why are they putting distribution centers all over the place and wanting to get into that space if it's not successful? They see it as successful, but they see through what's going on in terms of new buying experiences that they cannot just go into retail the way everyone else is going into retail. So Amazon Go, micro example of a store that is taking the experiences that people expect. Now, you may have heard of a company called Uber. So why do people love Uber so much when taxis have existed for a long time? Sure, in some cases you might be able to get a nicer car, but you could get a town car. You could get a limo. So people like the idea of Uber because it worked the way they worked, right? You grab the mobile device, you type in where you want to go, you press a button, the car picks you up. It's on demand. Then when you get out of the car, what happens? It connects to your pay system and it pays the person. You get a receipt and an email. You're not sitting in the back seat waiting at the airport to get out of the car, worrying, do you have your credit card? Hey, do you have my receipt? Or I don't take a credit card, do you have cash? Yeah, you don't have to worry about that. It's the experience that people expect. Well, retail, why can't shopping be the same way? You go to the grocery store, right? What's the biggest pain in the butt? You need to run in and get 2 or 3 items of convenience. Sure, there's convenience stores, but they don't always have everything you need. Say you need 2 or 3 things, you have to go to a big store, a Walmart, a Target, a Meijer type of store to get. Guess what? You go in, you're waiting in line. Quick checkout? Never, right? And the more you need a quick checkout, the more you can be sure it wouldn't exist. So what if you just ran into the store, grabbed the item, left the store, automatically knew, used your mobile device, used data, used sensors, used AI, used proximity to basically know what items you grab, send you a receipt, and on top of that, it could personalize your future shopper journey using all the data that would come with that. So Amazon, once again thinking, Amazon Go, brand new concept, only has 1 store open right now. Will it expand? Absolutely. If you are in the retail space, you need to think about what's going on here. It's not just about Amazon coming into retail, it's about Amazon rethinking retail. And if you're in this space, how can you leverage technology the way they are to create an experience, a buying journey that people are looking for and expecting in the future?